Are you happy with your career and job? If not, then perhaps we can help. Investing in a franchise seems like a path towards a solution, but where do you start? What you really need is someone to help you cut through all of the sales rhetoric and look at each franchise opportunity from a fundamental point of view. That's why today we are thrilled to share our Franchise Business Coach program, that has a zero cost. That's right, free to you, because the franchise companies pay our fees. At the Top 10 Senior Care Franchise, our business coaches have been helping people like yourself for 30 years. Here is how it works. We start with a detailed search of all senior care franchises in your investment range that want to expand in your area. Then we review the company's franchise disclosure document, analyzing costs and fees compared to the industry norm. We provide one-on-one coaching, a workbook, checklists, and a list of questions you can expect from the franchise company. And best of all, the services are provided free of charge. The franchise company pays our fees. So you've really got nothing to lose. Simply respond with the best time to call and a franchise business coach will be in touch. No pressure, no sales pitch. We will simply answer all of your questions about franchising and the senior care business.